George, good to see you. Does what Bill McDermott was saying there ring true about the impact of what's happening in Europe, longer sales cycles? He also talked about more tactical engagement from customers where maybe they're not engaged in those longer term digital transformation projects as much as they're focused on things that are going to help their business right now.
I think there's always a balance, John. Good to see you, between, things that need to be taken care of, the urgent and the important. And we see customers continue to balance across the two. We are certainly engaged in helping our customers build flexibility in their business models to deal with these disruptions.
Now, NetApp is one of those companies, been around for a while, has a well-known hardware business, has been focusing a lot more on software as well. But hardware businesses have been under this supply constraint for the past several quarters. But now we're beginning to hear more about demand headwinds because of the macro environment. Which are you more focused on now?
We certainly continue to be focused on meeting all of the demand that we see. We're in the business of helping customers manage their data and use it to drive their business forward. And as you know, John, the amount of data in the world continues to be explosively large and growing at very large scale. So we're really focused on helping our clients meet their obligations by delivering as much supply as we can get. I think the second area that we are seeing good momentum in our business is the ability for our clients to also build cloud and hybrid environments, and our tools for making those cloud environments more secure, more cost-effective, certainly seeing a lot of interest given the risk from ransomware attacks or the need for cloud cost management in these times.
Okay, and to put a finer point on it, though, are you seeing more shift, more volatility in the supply situation or in the demand situation? Supply has been difficult for a while. Is that getting more difficult, getting less difficult, or is demand shifting more quickly?
It's still supply is still the bigger challenge in our business. It is getting stable and incrementally better, but there's always a unique, component that we're working to mitigate the impact to our business. So we're hopeful. Our teams are working extraordinarily hard, and we're hopeful that the supply situation gets better over the next few quarters.
To be clear, though, George, then how does the demand picture look right now compared to that and how it has been over the last few months?
The demand picture certainly, it varies by segment and by country. We've certainly seen some impact from the Russia situation in some parts of our European business. As we've said in our earnings calls, it's not material to our business. I think the impact will work its way through the rest of the world over the next few quarters. We continue to be able to acquire new customers to expand our customer footprint, especially through the use of our cloud portfolio. And within the enterprise segment itself, so far we've seen pretty steady demand. I think we continue to monitor the changing economic environment and work closely with our customers.